How to reinstall HDFC mobile banking app. First of all, open the Google Play Store or App Store on your device. Use the search bar at the top and type HDFC mobile banking. Next, find the official HDFC mobile banking app from the search results. Make sure it is the correct app by checking the developer name and reviews. Now, tap on the install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once installed, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to log in. You might need your customer ID, registered mobile number, or other details to set it up again. And that's it. Now you know how to reinstall the HDFC mobile banking app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.